In this video, I'll show you step by step how to install and watch Hudl on your TV. Let's get started. First, turn on your TV or streaming device. Then navigate to your platform's App Store. This could be the App Store on your smart TV, streaming stick, or media device. Once you're in the App Store, use the search function. Type in Hudl fan. When the app appears, select it. Click Install or Add Application to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. After the app is installed, return to your device's home screen. Open the Hudl app. Inside the app, you can use the search bar located at the bottom of the screen. Search for specific content. Find your favorite school or site. To add a school or site, go to Settings or Sites inside the app. Click on Edit Sites. Check the box next to the school you'd like to add. Once selected, it will appear in your favorites. And that's it. You're now ready to watch Hudl on your TV.